So at Brando's today, he's he got the big buffer out.
Gonna get some compound going.
There you go.
Gotta do a little cutting.
There you go. Him and his big brother out here today. There he is. There he is. Now let's see what's happening over here. He's bragging up he just got a new tire on that one. So, you got the new paint all ready for it?
You know, I do. I got it all ready to go. Just gonna polish everything I can right now, just to get everything sort of squared away from the way it was, you know. But yeah, it's all ready to roll.
Excellent, excellent. So what color did you paint the bike?
We went to since the frame is black, we blended it from a black to a silver, and then to a silver pearl to a candy apple red on the top with graphics. Excellent. So it's gonna look pretty good. I think next time you stop out, we'll be putting some on, maybe.
Lighting them up out here?
Yeah, that's it. That's it. Yeah. I'm ready to light that one up. That one's got a new tire here now. I just got to put that on last night. Ready to roll, ready to do some Mad Maxes, John.
That's right.
That's right.
And this bike here's got 130 horse?
Yeah, 138 I think is what Rick had.
138?
Yep.
That got Rick Ward's heads?
Yeah, Rick Ward's heads. 1.7, went from a 110 to a 117, put Woods 999s in and a few extra secrets, but we'll keep that under wraps.
There you go, there you go.
That's it. Just need you to put a little NOS in that baby for me. Maybe a 50 shot?
Well, I would at least say 50.
Okay.
Really wanted to go get rid of that big stereo set you got in it.
Well, you gotta have that, so I need a little more power to get me down the road. There's a lot of speakers to haul.
And so this is a Bourget?
Yep, that's a Python. That's a 280. Just got done doing the wheels on them. Them were pretty. Here's the full polish on them if you want to take a peek there. It's a 280. And then a 21 front on it. Timeless wheels, you know, sort of spoked. So I like that. Never really goes out, gets outdated.
You still got that same exhaust pipes you had on it?
I do, unfortunately, yeah. Those will be coming off soon, hopefully. So, with the help of a few friends. So, yeah, this is a 113. Runs good. Just suffocating a little bit with them pipes.
What was that one?
Rick Ward, he machined this out for me, and then what we got going in here is it's going to sit here on top of the open primary off the standoffs here. That's going to get bolted on.
Oh, yeah.
And then, you know, we got a, I don't know if this will sit inside of that. On that.
Looks good to me.
So that'll bolt up like that. So, a lot of knickknacks and stuff that I got to get done. Ignition.
Yeah, yeah. That's one.
Deal on the other side.
Rick Ward did that one.
Rick did that too. Yeah, he does a phenomenal job. He really does. And you and him both whittling. Yeah. Whittling metal.
There you go.
Yeah, get that mill out, right, John?
There you go.
So, yeah, so that's it really right now until we get the paint rolling and get everything else polished, and you can come back over and we'll maybe do something.
Yeah, well, as you're putting it together, we'll get some out there.
Yeah. There we go.
Oh,
got it. So there's a sneak peek.
bring out the sunlight.
Well, there ain't much sun, but hey.
Yeah, a little bit.
I got this. Okay, it's gonna drag. You don't want that fucker in the dirt.
Yeah.
Carbon fiber on the front. Carbon fiber going down the middle.
Get your nose out of there.
Excellent, excellent.
Brian Gall.
That boy, he winning a lot of paint?
Yes, he does. Does good work.
Yeah.
It's one big ass tank.
How many gallons?
This is a 6. Yep.
6 gallons? Wow.
Thing's a beast.
It's
That
heavy.
looks good. That
It's
flipping
heavy.
tank is- Look at that.
So hold on.
You liking that?
I'm loving that. That's the first time I've seen it on there, all polished. Let me grab a seat. Looking pretty sharp.
Kids and their toys, huh?
Yeah. Here's my seat that I had made to match.
Nice, nice.
So that is going to sit up there, and then this is how this will flow through here. I got 2 bolts in the way, so I can't really set it where it needs to be.
Oh, we pull them out.
So, when you guys were young fellas working on the mini bikes, worked on the mini bikes together too?
Oh yeah, wrenching. We like to do it. You want to hold this for a second?
Yeah.
Keep it right there. Here, John, we'll stick this up in here, the way it should be,
Oh, yeah.
and then that'll sit like that. And then this will sit up there. Just like you.
Boy, it'll look good with them wheels on it.
Yeah, I think it'll, should be a looker. It's gonna be a whole different bike. Can't wait to see it when it's all done.
Yeah. Last year had skulls.
Yeah, it had
Full
skulls and Maltese crosses, and that shit had to go. It was over. So nothing against them, but it was just time for a change.
No.
Sort of after the graphics and you know, the candy red, and I think it blends pretty good looking up the frame, and
Yeah, you got sharp lines now.
Yeah,
so.
yeah, that's nice. That's nice.
So that's her. That's what's been going on over in this garage.
Well, that's excellent.
Stop over when we get a little more parts bolted on and get them fancy, nice wheels that I just got done polishing on. I tell you what, I'm excited. I'm excited. How about you? Are you waiting?
It's a wonderful thing.
Can't wait to rip the streets, man. Can't.
Man, I can't wait till it's 75, 80 degrees.
Yeah.
Go like hell, because we only got so long to do it. So we will be
Just
out.
remember, they'll never take us alive.
That's right.
That's right.
Bend over, spank me, make me write bad checks.
Looks real good. Here's the front fender.
All wrapped up in like a big baby downstairs.
That's it.
Oh yeah.
So this will sit on here like this if you want to take a peek. Just a rough idea. Tell you what, hold this at him real quick.
You gonna grab that tire? You just can't help himself.
I can't. I gotta see it. Where's that disc? There we go. So that'll sit about like yo.
So the brackets just come off the bottom leg of that.
Yep, brackets come off of the main axle
Oh,
and they hold on to the right here. See this?
oh, all right.
So that comes off like this and sits back like this.
Okay.
So, and then this linkage gets connected back.
Oh, I see.
So, looks good. Now I want you to hold it. Wonder if I just set that there. It'll stay there. I hope.
I wouldn't trust it.
You haven't had the best of luck today. No, not with that piece of metal anyway.
You haven't, well, at least you haven't scratched the paint or anything.
No, not yet.
They ain't over.
Boy, that looks good. Flows good. That's what I wanted to see, the front to the back. Should look good. Take the baby off. Yeah, it makes me fucking nervous sitting in there. Finish line design right here. We gotta throw it out to old Shaky. He does unbelievable work.
Yes, he sure does. Sure did a nice job on Denny's bike, didn't he?
Yes, he did. See his water droplets in here? If you can zoom in here. All through in here.
We'll get you out in the sunshine.
We got that chicken fence in there. That's pretty good. You like that?
I wasn't gonna say anything.
I know. That's what you call it. I love it. Chicken wire. All right. Okay, does that bring out the sheet for this one? All right. Keep them nice and warm on the couch, right?
Yeah.
Till they're ready. Top Stitch Sean out of Minneapolis.
Nice seat.
Yep. Did a really good job.
Excellent. Yeah, don't take no
Don't bring
pictures.
that camera. I don't need that camera
Don't
over
bring
here.
that camera over here. Wait a minute. Let me get my tank.
Yeah,
let me get that rear
me go
fender.
get it.
Well, let me get that front fender.
That's what you want to see.
I'm tired on it.
That's what you want to see, right?
That's right.
That's what everyone wants to see, is what's going on.
God dang it.
All right.